Hi, today I'm going to guide you how to operate this key cabinet, how to add batteries, how to add key tags or cards, and how to change your master password and user password. And now when you will receive the key cabinet, it will be in open position. You can open the key cabinet. Once you will open the key cabinet, you need to install the batteries. So battery compartment is here. You need to install 3 AAA size alkaline batteries, 1, 2 and 3. Make sure to install in correct direction and install the key cover. So now once we have installed the battery, we will register the key tags. So this key tag, I will keep it here. You heard a beep. Now you can see this light is blinking. It means I can register another. And if I want to add more, till the light is blinking, I can add more. So we will wait for this light to go off because right now we are doing just these two. Alright, so once it's done, it means now these 2 cards are registered. I will lock this. Now I will, if I want to open, I will open like this. Okay. I want to test this one also. If I want to open with the key tag, I will just keep it here, green light, it means I can open. Alright. Now the 2 key tags are done already, registered. Now code. So right now by default there is 2 codes are registered. One is 1 hash and another is 6 hash. So let's say I want to open with the code. How I will open? I will just press 1 and then press hash. Green light, it means I can open. Alright. Now I will try the 6 hash. 6 hash means I can open. So let's how we will change it. Okay. So for example, if I want to change the 1 number, which is 1, then I will press C, and then you can see the light is blinking. So let's say I want to make code 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Done. So now 1 is changed with 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's try 1 hash, not working light. 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Can open. Alright. So same way we will change the other password, which is 6 hash. Now if you will see, we can open with the 6 hash as well. So what I will do, I will press 6C. Now I will enter, for example, 789 hash. Done. So I'll try it for the sake of testing. I'll try 6 hash. No, it's not working. Red light. 789 hash. Okay. So you can use 1 to 15 digit code. Now, for example, if you want to reset everything, you want to remove key tags and you want to reset the password like to the factory default, which is 1 and 6. One password is 1 and 1 is 6. So what you have to do, you have to just open the battery compartment. This tool will be provided along with the key cabinet. So make sure always keep it somewhere safe, and then you will see a button inside. Just press it for 1 or 2 seconds. You will hear a beep. Now it's reset. Okay, and let's try the by default password, which was 1 and hash and 6 and hash. So let's try 1 hash. Okay, it's done. We set it to 1 2 3 4 5 6, but it's reset because we reset from backside. Okay, so for example, one fine day your battery got low and you want to open the cabinet. So in that case, you need to use 9-volt battery. Here you can provide the backup battery access. All you need to do, just press it like this and then press your number. So right now the number is 1 hash. You can open. This is how you will open in case of emergency.